What made vintage hockey goalie chest protectors so ineffective? Imagine trying to stop a speeding puck with gear that feels more like armor from a different era. That's what vintage hockey goalie chest protectors were like. Back then, goalies relied on bulky, heavy equipment that just didn't cut it. These early protectors were often made from leather and minimal padding, which made them heavy and stiff. Because of the weight, goalies couldn't move quickly or smoothly, which is a big problem when facing fast shots. The padding was usually foam or felt, but these materials didn't absorb impacts well. When a high-velocity puck hit, the force wasn't dispersed properly, increasing the chance of injury. Modern gear uses advanced plastics and high-density foams that spread out the impact, but vintage protectors lacked these features. Design was another issue. Many of these chest protectors were one-piece units that covered the chest and arms but didn't fit the body well. They didn't contour to the shape of the goalie's body, which meant there were gaps where pucks could slip through. Plus, they weren't waterproof or durable enough to handle repeated impacts. Over time, the materials would degrade or break down, reducing their protective qualities even further. The evolution of goalie equipment in the 1970s brought big improvements. Newer materials like waterproof nylons, reinforced plastics, and better foams made gear lighter and more flexible. These changes allowed goalies to move more freely and stay protected at the same time. The new gear also absorbed impacts better, which meant goalies could stop shots more safely and confidently. In short, vintage goalie chest protectors were ineffective because they were heavy, stiff, and made from materials that didn't absorb impacts well. They didn't fit the body properly and wore out quickly. The shift to modern synthetic materials and ergonomic designs made a huge difference, giving goalies gear that was safer, lighter, and more effective at stopping pucks.